Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to AskShafan.com. I am Shafan, Amazon seller and Amazon services provider. So in this quick video, we will be talking about how you can upload bulk images onto your Amazon products. So what happens is, like, some of the Amazon agencies or Amazon sellers, or especially the wholesalers, they have a very extensive kind of catalog, maybe 1000 SKUs, 2000 SKUs, or even more. So there comes the question that how you can upload like a bulk images, so you don't have to go one by one into each listing and update images into the each listing. So instead of that, is there any process that you can use, or is there any tool that you can use to upload images in bulk quantity? So yes, the answer is yes, there is. Amazon has provided you with a tool called upload images tool, which is located under your catalog section on Amazon Seller Central. You can use that tool to upload images in bulk. So how this tool works, it's a little bit tricky, you can say. So you have to name your images in a specific format, and your images need to be in a specific file format to be accepted by Amazon image upload tool. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the naming conventions, how you can name your images to be recognized by the Amazon system, how you can like check your file type of the images, if it is compatible with the Amazon system or not. So with the first, starting with the first part, how you need to name your images. So basically, let's say that when you are uploading a random image with a random name, Amazon doesn't know what this image is for, like which ASIN this image belongs to. So you have to tell Amazon, hey Amazon, this image belongs to this ASIN, and this should be reflected at this position, let's say as my main image, or as my secondary image, or as my swatch image, or whatever, however you want to display it. So I'm gonna show you the naming conventions right now. So if you go, like I will paste the link of this file in the description below as well. So if you go to this link, Amazon has like showed you the way how you need to name your images. So Amazon says, like, whenever you upload an image, you should name it with the ASIN name plus the variant code plus file extension. So for example, let's say you are uploading main image for this ASIN. So you should rename your file, rename your image with this ASIN name dot main, and dot jpg will be automatically added at the end of your image name, because it's the extension of the image. So here begs the question that how you can check the extension of your image. So I have like I have a set of images that needs to be uploaded for a specific ASIN. So let's say I have this set of images. So how you can check the naming and the extension of the image? So what you need to do is, you need to go into the folder where your images are, right click on the image and go into the properties section here. So once you are in the properties section, you can see this thing here that says type of file. So this is where you will find your extension of the image. So this could be JPG or JPEG. Both works for Amazon, but other than these two, no other file format is accepted by Amazon. It could be like PNG or GIF or any other image type. Amazon doesn't accept them. Amazon only accepts .jpg or .jpeg images. So once you are all set with your images extensions, so the next thing is that you need to copy the ASIN of your product. Let's say this is my ASIN, and these are my product images. So you will rename it with the naming convention that Amazon has provided you for. Let's say this is my main image. It has the white background and there is no other thing except the background, and there is no shadow, etc. So you need to rename it. Click on rename, paste in your ASIN and put in dot, and then you write main. This will tell Amazon system that this is my main image. And similarly for this one, let's say I want it to be displayed right after the main image, so I will name it as PT01, which is the part short 01, part short number 1 of my product image. And similarly you can rename the next one as PTO as PT02, which is part short number 2, and similarly 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And this last image that I have got here, I want to upload it as a swatch image. So what I will do is, I will add in my ASN and put in the dot and SWCH, which is the code for the swatch images. So this is done. So my images are ready, and these will be uploaded on the Amazon platform. So you may be wondering, like, what are the different variant codes that you can use on your images section. So Amazon has provided a full guide here, which show you the image type and the variant code that you can use for that specific image type. For example, for the main image, Amazon tells you that you need to use the variant code which is main. So this will give indication to the Amazon system that you are uploading the main image for a specification. Similarly, the second section, Amazon show you the product safety and compliance images. So the variant code for this one is PS, and it can go to 01 and 06. As you can know that a certain product can have only one main image, but it can and one swatch image, but it can have like different product safety and compliance images. It can have different part shots, it can have different angle shots, and similarly it can have like different award images as well. So the product and safety compliance part, it can have up to 6 images, and the part shots, it can have up to 99 images. Similarly, the interior shots can have like up to 99 images, and the angle shots are like I think 7 angle shots, which is top, bottom, right, left, front, back, and side. So I'm gonna quickly walk you through all these variants and where you can use them. So if you are selling a product that requires compliance to be like reflected on the images section, for example, if you are selling a food item, or if you are selling a health item and you have a SDS sheet or ingredients sheet, so what you need to do is like you need to name that image with the variant code PS. So it could be PS01. If you have multiple images, they can be PS02 and PS03. Similarly, if you want to upload a swatch image of your product, you can use the SWCH variant code, which will tell Amazon system that you are uploading a swatch image. The most common variant codes that are used are the part shots here, that are PTO01 to up to PT99. So mostly what we will use is we will use PTO01 to PTO06, which will be 6 images for the part shots, and then we will have one main image, and then we will have one swatch image. This will complete the 8 set of images that can be uploaded on Amazon. You can upload more or less images. It depends on the category as well. If you want to upload more images, you can like use up to PTO10 maybe, or PT11, or like whatever you want to use. And if you have a specific product, let's say you are selling a backpack, and you want to show the top of your of the backpack, like showing how many pockets it has got and what you can like put into your backpack, you can use this TOPP variant code, which is the angle shot for top of the product angle shot. Similarly, BOTT is for bottom, left is for left, right is for as it is just right, and front and back and side. So these are the angle shots, but most commonly the variants that we will use is the main image, and then the swatch image, and then the part shots. I usually use main image and then 6 part shots and then 1 swatch image, which makes a total of 8 images, and it will complete my product page. Once you have like renamed your images, now the next question is how you can upload them on Amazon. So to upload them on Amazon, what you need to do is go into your Amazon Seller Central, go to catalog, go to upload images section, and once you are in the images section, make sure you are in the bulk image upload, which is the default tab that will open once you are in the images upload images section. So if you want to upload just one single image, like maybe a main image or the secondary image, you simply need to click on drag or click upload, and this will open up the open up your file folder, and you can go to your file folder and select the image. For example, in my case, I want to, let's say, upload this PT01 image of this session. I will simply click on double click it, and you see that it has already the .jpg extension at the end, although I didn't add it in the end of my name renaming, but it's already there. It's because this image is jpg type, and the system automatically appends this .jpg extension at the end of the image name. So if you see, this name currently follows exactly what Amazon said in their like naming guide. For example, if you see here, it says asin dot the variant code and .jpg. Similarly here, my like renaming is also following the Amazon naming convention, which is asin, and then the variant code, and then the extension name. So once you have selected the image, what you need to do is you need to simply click on submit images, and the image will be uploaded. And if you want to upload the images in bulk, like you have 7-8 images that you want to upload in bulk, or if you have like 13-14 ASINs that you want to upload in one go, what you can do is you can simply select all these images and go to add, select them all, click on add to archive, and then compress them into a zip file. So I choose the zip here and click OK. Amazon only supports zip format, so you need to like add these into a zip compressed file. So now again I will go into this drag or upload section, and I will choose the zip file that I just created. And once the zip file that I have created is selected here, you can click on submit images. I don't want to submit any image here because this is my live account and I don't want to disturb my listings. So but once you have selected the images, you will click on submit images, and Amazon will display a message here that your images have been uploaded, and you can check the status in submission status section. So like the next question is how you can check the status of your images. Okay, to check the submission status, what you need to do is you will go into this submission status tab, click on submission status, and it will take you to a new page where you can see all your recently submitted images that you submitted through the upload images section, and it will show you the ASIN name here, the variant code that you uploaded, and the country that you uploaded for. Global means that you uploaded it for global, for all the marketplaces, and you see that it says here Spain. It means that I uploaded this specific image for Spain marketplace only. Okay, so what does this status here represents? So basically this status here represents that the image has been uploaded successfully, and you don't need to do anything. It will go through in maybe next 24 to 48 hours. It will start reflecting on your product page. But you see that it shows here another another status, which is failure. So this failure status means that this image didn't go through. It encountered some type of error, which could be that your image was low resolution, or it didn't adhere with the Amazon guidelines, or if you are submitting a main image, it can be rejected. It can show you the failure status if your main image contains some kind of shadow, or it contains any extra product other than your main product. So you need to troubleshoot the issues here, and maybe contact support and ask them why your image is being rejected, and then fix that error and upload the image again, repeating the same process that I showed you earlier. So guys, I hope that you have liked today's video. I think it was a pretty simple and straightforward process that we can use to upload images in bulk. And if you have any questions, you can drop in the comments below, and I will try to answer them as much as I can. And if you want to see more videos coming in the same Amazon catalog management series, don't forget to subscribe the channel and show your support. And our next topic, I think, will be how you can upload country specific images in for each marketplace. So stay tuned guys, and wait for our next video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.